Southwest 45, cross area approach, contact ground on south side.
4085, cross 18 right approach line and over to ground southwest 48.
Number 1 Delta Romeo, contact departure.
1 Delta Romeo, good day. Departure Mooney 231 Delta Romeo, 4.6 for 10,000.
Mooney 231 Delta Romeo, Paso departure radar contact, turn right heading 030.
030, 1 Delta Romeo.
Rebel 11, they'll remain east of Biggs, you contact Biggs Tower 127.9 or see you.
Over to tower, Rebel 11, continue searching, thanks.
Is the mountain to the left?
El Paso approach, Meridian 584 Mike, descending through 13.5 for 11,000 information Zulu.
Meridian 584 Mike, El Paso approach, good afternoon. Expect a visual approach runway 26 left.
Visual approach 26 left for Mike.
That way's east, that way's west.
I asked, is a mountain on the left where Aunt Clara lives?
Oh, probably, yeah.
Mooney 1 Delta Romeo traffic, 3 to 4 o'clock in about 2 miles. The King Air 5,500, they're in right traffic, runway 22 at Biggs.
Okay, we're looking for him, 1 Delta Romeo.
1 Delta Romeo correction, 9 o'clock.
Okay, yeah, I got him, 1 Delta Romeo.
It's been a long day. 1 Delta Romeo, turn left heading 360.
No problem, 360, 1 Delta Romeo.
Southwest 363, 5.3, climbing down the runway bay.
Southwest 363, pass departure radar contact, maintain 17,000.
Maintain 17, Southwest 363.
Decoy 70, contact Albuquerque Center 120.9 or 7, 2097, have a safe flight.
Over to Albuquerque Center at 12097, Decoy 70, I'll see you.
Meridian 4 Mike, turn right heading 100, maintain 9,000, vector for downwind.
Okay, so again, the heading for 4 Mike.
Meridian 4 Mike, 100 on the heading 100.
100 and down to 9,000 for Mike.
Mooney 1 Delta Romeo, turn left direct Molly.
Direct Molly, 1 Delta Romeo.
Southwest 363, contact Albuquerque Center 120.907, 2097, have a safe flight.
Turn SLC, Southwest 363.
Cherokee 903 Whiskey, contact Albuquerque Center 135.87, 3587, have a safe flight.
3587, good day, 93 Whiskey.